Everybody asked me how I bought my first e-bike at 14 with no job. So today in this video, I'm going to be going over what I sold, what I worked on, and the secret trick that nobody talks about. So if you clicked on this video, I'm guessing you're just a kid that has no money that wants an e-bike. And don't worry, I was there too, and I couldn't buy an e-bike because I had no money. So in this video, I'm just going to give you guys the couple main steps on how I saved up money to buy my Tuttio, and if you guys, this works for any other bike, it doesn't have to be a Tuttio. This could even work for like a Surron or a Surron Ultra B. So let's get into the first step. So the first step is, it sounds easy, but it's probably the most important step, which is save. Save your money. So anytime you get money, doesn't matter what it's from, just save it, because this is the number one thing, most important thing, because on some of these steps, you're going to have to use money to get money. And I'll explain that later in this video. Don't spend your money on these small snacks and stuff, because that just wastes your money and it adds up over time. So the second step is going to be sell. So first step was save, now it's sell. So I would start off with selling is any like expensive stuff that you have, you can sell for a good amount of money, used or new. But I would start off selling old bikes or old gaming consoles and stuff. Like, you could sell your Xbox, your PlayStation, or whatever you have for a decent amount of money, and that could help a lot towards your bike. I sold a lot of my gaming stuff, so I'd be able to save up for a bike, and it does really help. And you'd rather be outside on a bike than inside gaming. Sell any of your old bikes that you don't need anymore, like if you have a mountain bike or bikes laying in the back of your garage, fix them up and sell them. You can get a good amount of money from that. Also, you can sell just stuff lying around your house that you don't need anymore. Alright. But yeah, anything, just go around your house and find stuff that is able to be sold. Anything can sell, and you can sell those on Facebook Marketplace. You can sell those on Craigslist, OfferUp, eBay. You can sell pretty much anywhere, which brings us into kind of selling, but not really. So the next thing is kind of in the middle of selling and working, which is going to be flipping bikes or flipping anything. So what you're going to want to do for this step, is go on to Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, OfferUp, all that, and go find stuff for cheap. Like, go find e-bikes, mountain bikes, any of that. I know I've watched YouTubers that flip MacBooks, all that. You can pretty much flip anything that has good value to it. So yeah, just find something for a good deal and buy it. If it needs to be fixed, then fix it, and then sell it for a good profit. And just keep doing that with the money that you saved and the money you got from selling stuff. And eventually, you'll hit the amount of money you need in no time. It's one of the not easiest, but that's why you need to save, because you need some of that money to start the flipping. So one small thing that I forgot to add at the very beginning of the video is set your goal amount. So if you're planning on buying a Tuttio, set that goal amount to $1,300, and just so you have something to look at and see your progress. But yeah, so now that we've gone over the save and the sell part, I'm going to go over a quick overview of everything, just in short terms. So first step, save all your money. Doesn't matter where you get the money from. It could be from birthday, Christmas, any of that. Save it all, put it somewhere where you don't want to spend it, because that'll help you later on with the other stuff. That would be good. For sell, go around your house and look for stuff that you don't need anymore, or you don't want anymore, or any of that. Just go look for that and go list it on Facebook Marketplace and any of that stuff that you want to list it on, and you'll get money from that. And the money from all that you can use to go buy stuff on Facebook Marketplace to go ahead and flip for profit. And then this leads us into our next thing, which is going to be work. And yes, the title says no job, no employment, all that. And you don't need to have a real job to do the things that I'm going to mention in this. So don't click off the video because you're too young to have a job and all that. Because you don't need a real job for this. So personally what I did is, again, I mentioned, I cleaned my family shoes for around $10-15 a pair of shoes. And so I was making around $30 a week just from cleaning like family shoes, and it's that easy. So if cleaning shoes not your thing, you can find something small like that to do for your family or money like that. Another thing I did is I cleaned the house every other week for a good chunk of money. So when cleaning the house was needed, I would clean the house. And that was a main part of the money that I used to buy this. So you can also clean the house, also clean cars. I cleaned my family's cars for a good chunk of money. So clean your house, clean the cars, any chores like that your family needs done. Just ask your parents what they need done for money, and just go do that. That'll get you a good amount of money, and if you stay consistent with all this, then you'll get to that amount that you set in no time. So since we're nearing the end of the video, here's the secret tip. The secret tip is DoorDash. So if you're under 18 and you're not old enough to do DoorDash, have your parents sign up, and you can help them either by delivering the bags or grabbing the food. Just help them, and you can split the profits, and that'll go into the money for your bike. So that's going to be the end of the video, and drop a comment down below which bike you're saving for and if this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.